Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming both SIMs are active and on the same network. This prevents failed transfers. Once done, open the My MTN app or dial the MTN Transfer UST menu to begin. Make sure you already know the recipient's 11-digit number and the exact bundle size you'll send. If you're in the app, tap Send Data. If using UST, follow on-screen prompts. This gets you into the flow quickly so you can make the transfer next. Now select the bundle type, choose value or megabytes depending on need, and check the fee displayed, because some transfers carry a small charge. Next, carefully verify the recipient's number. A mistyped digit sends data to the wrong person. Then authorize the transfer by entering your account PIN or confirming an app. After you confirm, wait for the transaction processing screen. Don't press back or close the app until the system returns a success or failure message. Finish by looking for the confirmation SMS and asking the recipient to confirm their new balance. That proves the transfer completed. If you don't receive confirmation, immediately check your transaction history in the app or UST menu to see the status. If the transfer shows pending or failed, wait 5-10 minutes, then retry the process. Don't double send right away. If problems persist, contact MTN support with transaction ID. This one troubleshooting step saves accidental double transfers and resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.